Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Philadelphia, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're going to focus on planning your first backyard remodel and what you should decide before you ever call a contractor. If you've been staring at your yard thinking, I know it could be better, but I don't know where to start, this is for you. First, think about how you want to use the space, not just what you want to build. Do you see yourself grilling and eating outside regularly? Or is this more of a quiet coffee spot? Do you host big gatherings, or is it usually just a few people? Do kids need space to move around, or is this more of a low-traffic, peaceful area? The answers shape whether a large deck, a modest patio, a covered pergola, or a mix of these makes the most sense. Next, look at your yard with the sun and shade in mind. Where does the sun hit hardest in the afternoon? Are there spots that stay damp after rain, or areas that feel windy? A deck or patio that looks good on paper but bakes in full sun all day might not get used much. Sometimes a simple shift in placement or adding a roof or pergola can turn a harsh area into a comfortable one. Now let's talk budget in a simple way. You don't need an exact number down to the last dollar, but you should have a realistic range you're comfortable discussing. Keep in mind that structure, footings, railings, and permits all carry real cost, not just the boards and pavers you see. If your budget is tight, consider building in stages. For example, you might start with a solid deck and basic railings now, then plan to add a pergola, built-in seating, or outdoor kitchen pieces later. Before you call a contractor, make a short list of must-haves and nice-to-haves. Maybe your must-haves are safe stairs, enough space for a table, and strong, low-maintenance materials. Your nice-to-haves might be lighting, privacy screens, or upgraded railings. This helps a builder suggest designs that fit your priorities instead of guessing. At Tough Deck Builders Philadelphia, we find that the best projects start when homeowners come in with a clear picture of how they want the space to work, even if they're not sure what it should look like yet. Our job is to connect that everyday use with the right structure and layout. We talk through access points from the house, how the new deck or patio will tie into the yard, and what kind of maintenance you're comfortable with over time. If you're in the Philadelphia area and ready to take your ideas a step further, you can reach us at 215-607-2242 or visit toughdeckbuildersphiladelphia.com. We'll walk through your goals, take a look at your space, and help you map out a plan that fits your home and your budget. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Philadelphia. Take a few minutes this week to walk your yard, think about how you want to live outside, and jot down your must-haves. When you're ready, bring those ideas to a builder who focuses on structure, safety, and long-term value, and you'll be off to a solid start.